Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the English with VB podcast. I'm Ria.
And I'm Aarav. We're really happy to have you here with us again.
Today's episode is going to be very deep, very practical, and very important for every English learner.
Yes, today we're going to talk about how to stay motivated and never quit your English learning journey.
Many learners start learning English with excitement,
But after some time, they feel tired, bored, or frustrated.
and slowly they stop learning.
So today, we will talk about how to stay motivated and continue learning every day.
Let's start with a simple question.
Why do learners lose motivation?
I think one main reason is unrealistic expectations.
Yes, many people expect quick results.
They want to speak fluently in a few weeks,
But when that doesn't happen, they feel disappointed.
and they lose motivation.
So, what is the solution?
The solution is to have realistic expectations.
Learning English takes time.
It is a journey, not a race.
You must be patient.
Let's talk about another reason.
What is that?
Lack of clear goals.
Yes, without goals, learning feels directionless.
So learners should set small and clear goals,
For example, learning 5 sentences daily.
or speaking for 10 minutes every day.
These goals are simple and achievable.
And achieving them builds motivation.
Let's talk about progress.
Yes, seeing progress is very motivating.
But sometimes progress is slow,
And learners don't notice it.
so they think they're not improving.
That's why tracking progress is important.
You can record your voice,
Or write daily notes.
then compare after some time,
You will see improvement.
and that will motivate you.
Let's talk about boredom.
Yes, boredom is a big problem.
Doing the same thing every day can feel boring.
So how can we make learning interesting?
By adding variety,
Listen to podcasts,
watch videos,
read stories.
practice speaking.
Different activities keep learning fun.
Let's talk about environment.
Environment affects motivation.
Surround yourself with English.
Follow English content.
Listen daily.
This keeps you connected with the language.
Let's talk about mindset.
Mindset is very important.
If you think learning is difficult, you will feel tired.
But if you think learning is exciting, you will enjoy it.
So change your mindset.
Think positive.
Believe in yourself.
Say, I can improve.
Let's talk about consistency.
Consistency is more important than motivation.
Yes, even when motivation is low, consistency keeps you going.
That is discipline.
Discipline creates long-term success.
Let's talk about small wins.
Yes, celebrate small progress.
If you speak 1 sentence more than yesterday, that's progress.
If you understand more, that's progress.
These small wins keep you motivated.
Let's talk about comparison.
Comparison can reduce motivation.
Don't compare yourself with others.
Everyone learns at a different speed.
Focus on your journey.
That is more important.
Let's talk about fear.
Fear stops motivation.
Fear of mistakes, fear of judgment.
But mistakes are normal.
Every mistake helps you learn.
So don't be afraid.
Speak freely.
Learn confidently.
Let's talk about routine.
A simple routine helps motivation.
Fixed time, simple practice.
For example, listen, speak, and think daily.
This creates a habit.
And habits reduce effort.
Let's talk about support.
Yes, having support helps motivation.
You can learn with a friend.
Or join a community.
Sharing your journey helps.
It keeps you accountable.
Let's talk about patience.
Patience is very important.
You cannot rush learning.
You must trust the process.
Improvement takes time.
But it will happen.
Let's imagine a learner who stays consistent.
After 1 month, they feel better.
After 3 months, they feel confident.
After 6 months, they speak comfortably.
This is the power of consistency.
Let's talk about one more idea.
What is that?
Enjoy the journey.
Yes, enjoyment is important.
If you enjoy learning, you will continue.
So choose topics you like.
Learn in a fun way.
That keeps motivation high.
Let's talk about self-belief.
Believe in your ability.
You can learn English.
You can improve
Step by step.
day by day.
Let's talk about action.
Yes, action is everything.
Without action, nothing changes.
So start today.
Even small steps matter.
Don't wait for perfect time.
Start now.
Before we end, let's share one message.
Dear listeners, don't give up.
Stay motivated.
Stay consistent.
Believe in yourself.
And enjoy learning.
Your English will improve.
Thank you for listening to the English with VB podcast.
Keep learning
Keep practicing.
and keep speaking English.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.